Today we're going to be building the Technic Pit Droid set from back in the early 2000s. Do you think LEGO should remake this set? Let's get into the time lapse and see it come together. Alright, and we're back from the time-lapse. Unfortunately, the seller did not disclose that absolutely none of the rubber bands were included with this package, so he cannot stand. However, still a very cool set. Comes with two little hand tools that the Pit Droid can hold. Normally it would be able to stand up kind of like that. You know, little quirky guy. Let me know what you guys think of this set in the comments, and let me know if you think LEGO should remake this. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe so that you know when we've got more videos coming. See you on the next one.